Okay, your topic is describe an activity that you do after school or work. Please start.
I am the keen lover of sports. I daily play badminton in evening, and basically, I am from village, and there is no badminton indoor court in my village. So I daily travel a 10-kilometer to go to a city to play badminton in indoor court. So I am not a professional player. I am a beginner one, and one of my friend, he is a good professional player in badminton, and he appear 2 or 3 times in domestic level. So I play badminton with him, and he always guide me about to attack how to tackle difficult situation, and how to smash the shuttle. And we play I play daily play badminton about around 2 hours, and I feel a great after playing these games, and that's
Okay,
it.
that's good. Overall, it's fine. I really appreciate you for that. But you spoke for 1 minute, 3 seconds. So add some more detail to it and it will be better, right? I appreciate your confidence and you spoke according to the topic. You covered the topic well as well. This is something positive. Let's go on. Speaking part three. Why do some people enjoy adventurous sports or extreme sports?
Most of in my country, most of people enjoy the adventure places,
Adventurous sports.
adventure sports, and it has
Part 3 is very important. Why do some people enjoy? People enjoy extreme sports for a couple of reasons. First of all, people are adventurous by nature. So if someone is adventurous by nature, obviously that person would enjoy adventurous sports. On the other hand, some people have this mind for exploration of new things and trying out new things. So such type of people also enjoy adventurous sports like this. Pay attention to part 3. That is for advanced level, right? Okay, thank you.